Class 10 students, this is GST third video. We'll solve sums from here. Few sums I'll solve from here and here also. See, this is sum number 1. Fill in the blanks. When the goods are sold 15,000 under intrastate transaction, that means CGST SGST, from station A to station B, and the rate of GST is 12%. As per GST system, SP at station A, see, this is from station A to station B, it is sold. SP at station A 15,000, here we have to write 15,000. Then CGST at station A, we have to calculate CGST, and we have to calculate SGST. So CGST will be 6%, half of 12 is 6, so 6% of 15,000 we have to calculate here. SGST 6% of 15,000. Then CP at station B, at what time it is sold in section A, that will be the cost price of station B. If profit 5,000 is made, then SP at station B will be 15,000 plus 5,000, it will be 20,000. Now same goods and service are moved under interstate transaction from B to section C, and rate of tax 12%. So GST here also, since it is interstate, so we have to calculate IGST. So here GST, we have to calculate IGST. GST actually equal to IGST equal to 12% of 20,000. CP at station C. Actually this type of sum we should do in this way. This is the technique. Station A, station B, station C. Station A, SP. So this will be CP of station B. SP of station A is CP of station B, because station A is selling, station B purchasing. GST 12%, so CGST half of that, 6%, 6 by 100 into this. SGST 6 by 100 into this, so this it will be same. So total tax 900 plus 900, that is 1800 is the total tax of station A. Now station B, CP will be 15,000, SP will be plus 5,000, because station B made profit 5,000, so you have to add. This is the SP of station B. Next let us go to station C. Station C, CP will be SP of station B, because this station they sold and station C purchased. So this is the SP and this is the same amount will be the CP of station C. And station C, IGST, I told since it is interstate, so it will be IGST 12% of this. Then because station C it is told interstate transaction, so it will be 12%, it will not be divided, 12% of this, that is this is the IGST of station C. So the sum is done. Now see sum number 2. Goods and services are sold from Agra to Kanpur, same state, so that will be intra-state for 20,000, and then from Kanpur to Jaipur, another state, that is here it will be interstate. If the rate of GST is 18% and profit made at Kanpur is 5,000, find the net GST payable at dealer Kanpur. The cost of goods and service at Jaipur. Now see how to do this type of sum. You divide your page into 3 parts. Here Agra, then Kanpur, then Jaipur. GST rate 18%, in all cases it is told. Now here UP. So here we have to calculate SGST, CGST in UP, because Agra sold to Kanpur UP only. In the question it is told SP 20,000. So SGST will be half of 18%, that is 9% of 20,000. So 9 by 100 into 20,000, it is coming 1800. So CGST also will be same 1800. So total GST would be 1800 plus 1800, 3600. Now Kanpur made profit 5,000. Then SP at UP will be CP at Kanpur. Agra SP will be CP of Kanpur. Then SP will be this CP plus 5,000. CP here CP 20,000 because their SP means their CP 20,000. So SP will be CP plus profit. Profit done 5,000, so 25,000. So here UP to Rajasthan, so IGST. So IGST 18% into 25,000. Total SP 25,000. So this is IGST. Now here it is telling that what amount, see the question, that the net GST payable by the dealer at Kanpur. Net GST payable. This net GST payable, this is the net GST calculation. Always net GST you calculate on profit because this GST government will get, and for government GST calculation always you calculate it on profit. On profit GST what will you calculate that government will get. It has one reason, I will explain it later on. So this only you calculate profit on GST on profit, that GST government will get, and that is the net GST. Okay, this is done. Now Jaipur CP, what will be CP of Jaipur? Here SP, Kanpur SP will be CP of Jaipur. So here 20,000 plus 5,000, that is 25,000 is the CP of Rajasthan, plus they have to give IGST. IGST means here they have calculated IGST, this one we have to add because the last purchaser, they are the last purchaser. The last purchaser they need to pay tax also. So this 4500 we have to add. So 29500 is the answer. Now see sum number 3. Sum number 3, good and services are sold from Kota, Rajasthan to Mumbai. So this is interstate, 20,000, and from Mumbai to Pune. If the rate of GST 12% and the profit made Mumbai is 5,000, find the GST paid at Pune. The dealer at Pune is the end user. It is told end user. It is mentioned in the sum because end user will pay GST also. See, this is our sum. I have divided 3 parts: Kota, Mumbai, Pune. This Kota SP is 20,000. So here CP will be 20,000. Here 5,000 profit made. So you add this, that will be SP. Now here Rajasthan to Mumbai. That is why here we have to calculate IGST because they are selling different state, that is IGST 12 by 100 into this, so this is the IGST. But here Mumbai to Mumbai only, that means same state. Oh sorry, Maharashtra to Maharashtra only, Mumbai, Maharashtra to Maharashtra, so it will be CGST, SGST. So total tax 12%, so it will be 6% of this SP. So this is the SGST, same will be CGST. So total GST, CGST plus SGST 1500 plus 1500, that is 3000. Now in case of Pune, Pune is the end user. So their SP will be CP, 25,000 SP, so their 25,000 will be CP plus tax they have to pay, this 3000. So 28,000 is the CP of Pune, and GST means CGST plus SGST, this 15,000 plus 15,000, that is equal to 3,000. Among this 28,000, 3,000 tax they are paying. That's all for this video.